Hi, I'm Jen Evans, Director of Education for Kevyn Aucoin Beauty. Metallic lip has been seen all over the runways, from Paris to Milan, London to New York. I'm giving you backstage access on how to recreate these looks. Let's get molten. This high-impact metallic liquid lip color is formulated with multi-dimensional pearls that illuminate lips for a voluminous metallic reflection. The soft, moisture-rich formula melts weightlessly into the lips to form a comfortable, long-wearing shine. Using the inset of the ballet foot applicator, apply a layer of the rose gold to the bottom of the lip, starting at the center, moving outward. Apply to the top lip, starting at the center of the cupid's bow, moving outward. Use the tip of the applicator for precise application around the outer edges of the lips. Apply a layer of carbon to the bottom of the lip, starting at the center, moving outward. Apply to the top lip, starting at the center of the cupid's bow, moving outward. Use the tip of the applicator for precise application around the outer edges of the lips. To even out the color, take the pad of your ring finger and press carbon to the center of the lip and roll toward the outer edge. This will make the color more consistent. Add a 3D holographic effect to any lip color with one of the two top coat shades. To create a futuristic lip, scoop out the top coat Cyber Sky and use the pad of your ring finger to press into the lip. Start from the center, moving outward. This will create a 3D holographic effect. To create an ombre effect, line the lip with a flesh tone lip pencil and blood roses. Lightly fill in the lip. This also makes for longer wear. Apply the matte lip color and blood roses to the center, working your way toward the outer edges. Scoop out gold and use a pad of your ring finger, pressing in the center of the lip to deposit the most pigment. Using a clean finger, press the outer edges to diffuse the remaining gold color. With 6 prismatic shades, the creative possibilities are endless. Explore your element.